Hey, I got this Nintendo DS, and they're saying that the buttons are sticking. X and Y buttons are sticking. So we're going to take it apart. I tried turning it on. Apparently, its battery's dead, and I didn't bring a charger. So, oh, no. Here's the power button. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to take it apart. Now that I know that it works, I'm going to show you how to take it apart. Take these screws here and just turn them out. They'll pop out. The cover will come out. You can knock your battery out. And you'll have a screw here, 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 there, there, and this corner here. So, take all these screws out. And we'll see what size we need. I believe it's this one. I'll have to find the size and I'll put it in a video. As you get your back cover off, there's this connector here. And right here, that connector that disconnects the back cover from this. There's two buttons. And I went ahead and just pop this up. You want to be very careful and unlatch this here. I believe that's for your microphone. And same way with this, pull the tape from this way to here. And there's going to be another thing that you flip up and pull the ribbon cable off. You have to take this screw here and this screw here off. These here, I believe. Basically, the screws that hold this all down to the board. I'll update as I go, as much as possible. I'm guessing this board here is going to be taken off as well. Yep. So you disconnect the cable. Normally you have two hands to do this, but being that I'm showing you how to do it, I'll have one hand to do it. And there's this black connector here. You flip up. And then you be very gentle, pull that back. So take the screws off. This pops out. This here. Once you take these screws here off, I believe this comes out completely. And there's another ribbon cable there. Okay, so I got the joystick off. And the board is on here for your SD card. You have to pry that off. It's got the sticky back here. So you got two ribbon cables here you need to take off next. And possibly this screw here. These two cables and this here. I went ahead and took off all these other screws that was on the board. I'm going to go for these next. I wanted to point this out. The shield, bend it up. And there's this one last screw here you need to take off. And this board would slide right off. When you pull this board up and over, there's going to be another cable here. You're going to have to flip the white connector out and pull it out as well. And now you get to clean your buttons. So, not exactly what I thought they were. I'm going to try something. That's what I was curious. This gunk here. I'll clean this up. Possibly that's all what there was wrong with it. Rather than the buttons here. So, I'm going to clean this gunk up here with some rubbing alcohol. Put it back together and see what happens. Before they were having a problem with the X and Y, I'm just going to demonstrate the X. The X works fine. I would play the game, but I'm not sure what they have saved and all that. I'm not going to totally destroy the game because I have no knowledge of how to operate this too much. So, there you have it. Good luck. I know there's a bunch of wires and stuff you have to take apart. Just have a lot of patience. It took me about 2 hours myself to do this. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Leave me a comment and subscribe.